in our class. Hello Jyoti.
Hello Mahendra.
Pleased to meet you.
Me too.
Where are you going?
We are going to school.
Are you going to school, Mahen? Sorry miss, I cannot go to school today because I have some work.
Listen Mahendra, we should go to school daily. You have to do your work after class.
You are right Jyoti. I will do my work after class.
Very good man, very good.
By the way, what will we read today in class? We will read English today in class.
By the way, who does teach English?
Mr. Parai sir teaches us English. Mr. Parai sir teaches very well. Oh, very good. I love English. I will definitely go to school today.
Hello guys.
Hi. Who is she? She is my new friend Jyoti. Jyoti, she is Laila. Hello Jyoti.
Hello Laila.
Nice to meet you.
Me too.
What's going on? Nothing.